Good morning, Glen Yorkies. This is Miss Santana from first grade. Here we go. We're going to talk about women's history. Here's your little tidbit. Today we're going to go ahead and meet Amelia Earhart from United States and why she was important. So here we go.
Today we are going to learn about Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart was an adventurer, a pilot, and a best-selling author who inspired millions of people and still inspires people today. Now, here's her story. Amelia Earhart was born in 1897 in Kansas. At a young age, she loved adventure. As a young woman, she became interested in planes, and Amelia Earhart learned how to fly planes in the 1920s. Amelia Earhart became great at flying, and in 1932, Amelia Earhart became the first woman to fly a plane across the Atlantic Ocean by herself. Amelia Earhart became a celebrity. A celebrity is someone who is famous. She became a best-selling author by publishing her journals and a memoir. In 1935, she began to plan a trip around the world. That's over 29,000 miles. On May 10th, 1937, she began her journey to fly around the world. Amelia Earhart brought Fred Noonan to help navigate. They used maps, a compass, and the stars to help find their way. Amelia Earhart flew 22,000 miles before her plane, and Fred Noonan disappeared. She came so close to completing it, but disappeared in the Pacific Ocean. Many people look up to her. She was brave, she was hardworking, and she was not afraid of challenges. Amelia Earhart, an adventurer, a pilot, one of the best ever, and a best-selling author that inspired millions and still inspires people today.
So, to pay homage to those that choose to challenge, let's continue over here. Oops, not that one. Here we go.
To whom it may concern, what I am doing here is not for you. Not for your judgment or your appraisal. Not for your assessment or your arousal. No, boy, I know has ever been told he shouldn't play, couldn't play. I am no longer interested in shouldn'ts or couldn'ts or rules not written for me. I am not worried about getting too big or too strong or too fast or too full of myself. I do not agree that playing like a man is a compliment. What I'm doing here is not for you. Movement is a movement. My effort, my ambition, my desire for me. For every woman, every girl who dares to see herself as something more than a body to be rated, a score to be kept. When I play, I keep my own score. When I play, I know who I am. When I play, I forget how it feels to be boxed in, to be boxed out. When I play, I feel no shame. When I play, I remember how it feels to be free. This court, this field, this world, too small to hold me. When I play, I know I won't be undone. I won't be unsung. My humility, my humanity, my movement, a movement. This is not the end of my dream. This is where I wake up.
Have a great day, Rangers.